Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Grandma Indras Recipes. Today in our channel, I am going to show you how to grow a micro plant at home. In our day-to-day life, we have to add green leafy vegetables at least twice a week. Nowadays, we are not getting fresh green leafy vegetables. We can grow it at our home. Nowadays, we are living in apartments where there is no soil. For micro plantation, we don't want soil. Today I will show how to grow green leafy vegetables without soil. For that, I am going to use green gram. Today I will show you how to harvest a green gram. Day 1. I took some green gram in a bowl. We have to soak it in water for 24 hours. Keep it aside and we will see what happens tomorrow. Welcome back to day 2. Yesterday we soaked the green grams in water. Let's see what happened now. It started spouting out. Now we will see the next step. We need a bowl, tissue paper and a sprinkler. There are 5 layers of tissue paper and we have to keep the tissue paper into the bowl. And spray water in the bowl. There also the left. Wow, not in the same place. Not in the same place. Okay. See, it came wet. Now we will place the grams in the bowl. Daddy, can you help me? Do it like this, okay? Wow, you're doing good. You have a lot of effort. I'll help you. Wow. Okay, let me spread it. Okay. Oh, you have a lot of strength. Close it with the lid and put the bowl into keep the bowl in a bright place. It's day 3 and now we will see what happened to our grams. Wait, brother, stop. Okay, now let's see what happened to our grams. Wow, it spouted. Now we will sprinkle the grams with water and we will cover it with tissue paper and see what happens tomorrow. Let's cover the grams with tissue paper. Okay. Let's sprinkle water in the top of the tissue paper. Let's close it with the lid. Now we will wait for another 1 day. Today is the 6th day. Let's see what happened to our gram. Wow, it have grown a lot. Wow. Oh, some of the seeds are stuck into the tissue paper. The leaves have started coming. Now we have to keep it open. No need of this tissue. Let's keep it. We don't want the cap too. We have to water it twice a day. We have to water it twice a day, and we have to keep the plant in a bright place, not under the sun. Now I will water it and keep it in a bright area. Today is day 10. Let's see what happened to our plants. Today is day 12. See how our plants have grown? It's so fresh and greeny. With the help of my mother, I'm going to show you how to cook it. Now I will show you how to harvest and cook. See the roots? We are going to cook with the roots. Washed it well. We will cut and keep it ready. I chopped and kept it ready. In these type of plantations, we are not going to waste anything. Even roots we are going to cook. Now we will see what all are the ingredients. Chopped greens, shallots chopped nicely, coconut oil, grated coconut, green chilli, seasoning, mustard and black gram, salt to taste. Now we will see how to cook. Light the stove. Add coconut oil. Add mustard and black gram. Now add shallots. Add turmeric powder. Add green chilli. Now add the green. Add salt. Don't overcook. If you overcook, you will lose the nutrients. In low flame. Now add grated coconut. The dish is ready. Change it into the bowl. Time to taste now. Good? Yummy. It's so healthy and tasty. Everybody should try this at home. And send me a feedback. Please subscribe, like and comment. Bye. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye. I was busy in eating. I will also join with him. Yummy.